Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm from Equity Builders Roofing, and I wanted to let you know about a hiring event we're having for outside sales reps in Franklin, Indiana on Wednesday, April 20th. And I want to tell you a little bit about Equity Builders. It's a family-run, family-owned company that is a great place to work and a great culture to be in. As far as our outside sales rep roles, we're looking for people that want to earn $100,000 or more a year, and that's a starting point. And from there, we want to look for people that are really outgoing, enjoy interacting with people, enjoy being outdoors, and enjoy working with technology because we're a real tech-savvy company. So we'd love to see you next Wednesday, April 20th in Franklin. We've got details here on the screen about the event, but you've got a lot of time during the day to come by and see us. So hope to see you soon.